Hi friends, I'm going to walk you through how to draw a bird on a branch. The first thing you need to get is a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm using a Sharpie because it's easier to see. Start with a diagonal line going from one side of your page up to the other side. Then draw a backward C attached to the top of your line. We're going to make some marks on that line to use as guides later. Find halfway down the line, then half again. So about a quarter of the way to the end, and then divide that in half again. Two little dots. They don't have to be perfect for sure. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to connect the bottom of that C to that first line, the first little dot you made. Then find the fattest part of your C and draw a half circle almost from that one side to that second dot you made. I made a tail by making a curved line up to that second line. I added an eye as a little dot, a triangle as a beak, and then some feathers just as little scallops. That little leg is peeking out from behind the bird. That little leg is in front. Now I'm going to make a branch. I like to make Y trees. They look realistic. I'm using the letter Y as a guide. Can you see it turned sideways? There's the letter Y. And then there's the tree going up the side. I'm going to give some leaves on that branch. You could also draw a little nest for your bird if you wanted. Maybe there's another bird in the background that's flying away. You could even give your branch some texture. You are the artist. You can decide what your picture looks like. I'm going to show you how I colored it in, but you might have different colors. A robin redbreast could have a red part where their yellow is. You can see I'm adding all sorts of colors. And there's how it looks finished. Have fun. Bye, guys.